Looking for the best balance bikes for kids of all ages? In this video, we'll help you discover the top choices that make riding fun, safe, and easy for little ones learning to balance. Our channel shares quality videos every day to give you better ideas on different kinds of products so you can make smarter choices. Stay tuned, and if you enjoy helpful product guides like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Number 1. Woom Go 1. The Woom Go 1 is the latest addition to the beloved Woom 1 balance bike. Perfection from top to bottom, the Woom Go 1 creates a smooth, easy ride for young or small toddlers getting an early start on their balance bike journey. To keep young ones at ease, the Woom's handlebars place the rider in a natural, upright position with their weight centered over their hips. This helps toddlers feel less hesitant about balancing. This, combined with a lightweight, extremely low step-through frame, a low minimum seat height, extra cushioned air tires, and an easy-to-use handbrake, allows the Woom 1 to effortlessly take your child from walking along the sidewalk to ripping down trails. As an added bonus, the Woom Go 1 is available in 5 colors. Number 2. Strider Sport. Fits kids, 18 months to 4 years old. Seat height, 11 inches to 17 inches. Weight, 6.7 pounds. Features, foam tires, footrest, adjustable height handlebars, quick release seat post. Sport features, narrow grip handlebar with pad, longer seat post, padded seat. Why we love the Strider. Built on a well-designed frame, the Strider balance bike is easily adaptable to fit a wide range of ages. With an extended seat post and adjustable height handlebars, we've had the best luck with Strider at accommodating kids of various sizes. For a decent price point, the Strider is a quality bike that fits light kids, heavy kids, tall kids, short kids. You generally can't go wrong with a Strider. Pros: adjustable to fit ages 18 months to 4 years old. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Low step-through frame makes it easy to get on and off. Foam tires never go flat and are maintenance-free. Adjustable height handlebars for a better fit as kids grow. Number 3. Woom Go 1 Plus. Why we love the Woom Go 1 Plus. One of our favorite balance bikes made bigger, the Woom Go 1 Plus has all the benefits of the popular Woom 1, but for kids ages 3 to 5. It's the perfect bike for timid kids starting off their balance bike journey as preschoolers versus toddlers. With comfortable, upright body positioning, large 14-inch air tires, a removable surfboard footrest and turning limiter, and dual hand brakes, a rare find in balance bikes, the Woom Go 1 Plus is the ultimate confidence-building larger balance bike. Keep in mind that with its taller handlebars, the Woom Go 1 Plus is best for timid and casual neighborhood riders. Kids who will likely be tackling pump tracks won't be able to lean in far enough to get aggressive. Fits kids in 3T to 5 pants. Seat height, 14.8 inches to 18.7 inches. Weight, 9.6 pounds. Features, air tires, dual handbrakes, turning limiter. Number 4 is Banana Bike GT. Why we love the Banana Bike GT. The Banana Bike GT is an excellent choice for preschoolers or taller toddlers, thanks to its longer wheelbase, thoughtful geometry, and ample room for growth. Its adjustable handlebars and higher maximum seat height make it especially comfortable for taller riders. Unlike the cheaper Banana Bike LT, which has foam tires, the GT is equipped with air-filled tires that offer better cushioning and traction, ideal for more active or experienced young riders who need extra comfort and control. Fits kids in 2T to 4T pants. Seat height, 13 to 17 inches. Weight, 8.4 pounds. Features, air tires on sturdy metal rims, adjustable height handlebar. Pros: longer wheelbase for greater stability. Quick release seat post clamp, great geometry for the price. Cushioning air tires on sturdy metal rims. Handlebars can be raised as a child grows. Number 5. Bike 16. Why we love the Beak 16. The Beak 16 serves a fantastic purpose for kids who are too old or big for a traditional balance bike. If your child is already in kindergarten or first grade but is still struggling to learn to ride a bike, Beak 16 to the rescue. With larger wheels and a larger frame, the Beak 16 is designed to help ease the transition to a pedal bike for timid kids. While not the best quality bike on our list, it's a perfect temporary solution to get your kid confident enough on two wheels before you add in the complexity of pedals. It's also a unique longer-term solution for special needs kids who may prefer to stay on a balance bike. Fits kids, grade school kids in size 6 to 8 pants. Seat height, 18.25 to 22.4 inches. Weight, 12 pounds. Features, air tires, lightweight, great geometry for the price. Pros, one of few 16-inch balance bikes available. Lightweight with air tires.